got a Karam master do an amazing trick. An unbelievable thing happened when lightning hits a firework. I guess this is another way of playing badminton. Salar de Uyuni is also known as Uyuni Salt Flat and is the largest salt flat in the world located in Bolivia. It also acts as a giant mirror, creating artistic pictures straight out of dreams. This is basically how all engineers solve their problems, smacking it until it works normally again. A piece of raw meat crawled off the table at some restaurant as if it had decided that it was not the day it would be eaten. I guess these people really wanted to join the Mile High Club. Don't underestimate your opponent, especially if she's a little girl with a ponytail. A homemade cardboard box robot magician sounds about just what the future looks like in one sentence. A dog was miraculously saved by simply a slight bump in the road. A monkey beating a human in ping pong is sure a sight we won't be forgetting soon. A Chinese man spent long hours of his life training his pet goldfish to play football. These daredevil guys had the crazy idea to perform a trick with the largest skateboard in the world, but unfortunately for them, everything did not go down as planned. This clever seagull stole chips from a grocery store. This public hospital in Norway is obviously living in the future.